Your dishwasher might look a little different than this one, but don't worry, the tips may still apply, so feel free to give them a try. Dishwasher not draining? There's probably a simple solution. Here are our top troubleshooting tips. If your dishwasher was recently installed, check that the knockout plug was removed from inside the food waste disposer. Check the drain hose for kinks. If your dishwasher is hooked up to a food waste disposer, make sure it's empty. Be sure the cycle is complete and not in the pause mode. Check the glass trap or filter, if your model has one, for debris and empty if necessary. To remove the glass trap, rotate the handle 90 degrees clockwise while pressing down on the center of the wash arm. Note that your wash arm might look a little different than this one. Then pull up the spray arm to lift the glass trap out of the dishwasher. Empty and clean of any debris. Now, put the assembly back into place. Press down on the arm at the center and rotate the glass trap handle 90 degrees counterclockwise to the original position. Make sure that it's all fully snapped into place. That should do it. Now you know how to get your dishwasher to drain properly every time. You've got this.